Hi guys, I'm Eric with RockyMountainATVMC.com, and today we're going to take a look at RCV's Pro Series 2 CV Axle. So RCV axles have a great reputation for strength and durability in the rock crawling and desert racing scene. And it's only natural that they would creep over into the UTV market. You know, there's definitely a need for stronger axles. We did some racing last year and I couldn't make it through a weekend of racing without breaking an OEM axle or two. We put RCVs on the car and we didn't have any more issues. Now, they're pricey, but if you are having problems, these are worth their weight in gold. So these are the Pro Series 2, and that's important because the original Pro Series weren't sealed on both ends. These are great, the boots, so they're 100% sealed, keeps all the dirt, mud, everything out of your joint. The boots are made of high strength material, so they're not gonna get torn easily. And speaking of high strength, these are made from, the shafts are 300M material, and 300M is it's a super high strength steel alloy, okay? The external, the ends, it's a 4340 chromoly with 300M internals. The inboard CV plunges 2¼ inches, and that's perfect for stock suspension geometry. Another cool feature of these axles is they're completely rebuildable. The internals are definitely a wear item. Instead of replacing the whole shaft, you can just replace what's worn. So that's it. If you're having problems with your axles, this is a great solution. This will probably be your last solution. If you're interested, click the link below or head on over to our website, RockyMountainATVMC.com. Remember that orders over $75 ship free. Thanks for watching.